Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are resonating with the readings. Do like the channel and subscribe the channel. Let's not delay further and go to the readings. The first card, it's a beautiful card. Pratyahara. Can you see this person just sitting there in bliss and calmness? Pratyahara. It's a beautiful card. The next card, Pitta. Again an Ayurvedic terminology which talks about Pitta. So let me tell you how is your day today. Overall, if you want me to sum up these two cards, I will say you have been through a lot of distractions in your life, and you need to come out of those distractions, focus on your goals and work on yourself. Something, because the Pitta card has come, I also feel something related to food. So meditate, work on your energies, do some beautiful mudras if possible, because again Pitta, if you see, is fire and water elements. So the fire and water together can create or destroy anything. So that's a Pitta. Here maybe that it is time that you transform your goals into reality. You work on your energies in such a way that you're able to manifest what you want. Don't lose connection with yourself and work more on yourself. Also, I want to say one thing, have a lot of water. I feel there is a lot of dehydration when I see this card. So maybe especially the second card, when I'm seeing, I feel a lot of dehydration. Have some water. In fact, have lots of water if possible. Have lots of energy inside you. Lack of energy is something I'm seeing in you today. Maybe you're stressed out, maybe you're worried, or maybe something is hitting you from inside where you're not able to come out of it. So don't worry about it. Also, I would say wear the color red today, because I want you all to have a beautiful combination of red, fire and water, because that is what is the Pitta card about. So work on fire and water today, and I'm sure you'll be hydrated. And today, seeing this card, I would say in the morning, put on any meditation which is available in YouTube, just a 5-minute or a 10-minute meditation. If not, just a 108 times Om chanting, if you can put it, and just sit there, focus on your breathing, do your pranayams, do your breathe in, breathe out, however you want to do, and just sit in bliss for 10 minutes. Give yourself that 10 minutes and surrender yourself completely to the universe, and see how beautifully the universe is going to bless you. As I said, wear the color red, drink a lot of water. If possible, if you can, then chant Om 108 times, or meditate on whatever music you want. And in the evening, if you have the time, go by the beach side. Just put your water in the legs and intend that all unwanted energies is going away from my body, and my body is becoming blessed, my body is becoming energized and rejuvenated. When you're coming back home, bring something sweet and something salty at home, so that life is bliss, life is harmonious, and everything goes streamlined and harmonical this week. Have a beautiful and a blessed day.